The site is a small site of around 3000 square feet located in Gauribidanur, which is around 90 kilometers from Bangalore. The site was oddly shaped because it was a residual space of a larger site, and it was shaped in an L. The site is also in a very densely knit residential layout with houses built in very close proximity. The client is from a business community in Gauribidanur, and his wish for the house was it should accommodate three generations of his family. So we split the house into three different levels, wherein the grandparents were at the lower level, he himself and his wife were at the middle level, and their son and the entertainment zone was at the uppermost level. Across all the floors, the programs have been split along the two arms of the L. The living and the puja sits in a double height. There is also a sculptural staircase in this void. The kitchen and the dining are housed in the rear arm. The living room is surrounded on two sides by a garden, and also a garden along and below the straight fly staircase to give it a more sculptural quality. At the first floor, the void separates the master bedroom and the guest bedroom, which is connected by a bridge along the straight flight staircase. The master bedroom also has a deep recessed balcony which cuts down on the glare into the master bedroom. The northeast corner of the facade is chiseled in such a way to allow light to penetrate into the space and also create an interesting element on the outside. So the topmost floor has the son's bedroom, which has a very deep recessed balcony. It also houses a family and an entertainment zone. This space is recessed from the overall footprint of the building to create a sequestered and a shaded area. It gives us an opportunity to have a large overhang slab above this space to give it shade. So the garden is rendered with the same formal qualities as the exterior of the building, with its jagged seating and landscape. So the bold exterior facade is essentially a chiseled mass in response to the two roads along the site. Openings as inclusions made into this chiseled mass allow for light to come into the interiors. The void in the facade houses the landscape, and to further complement this landscape, it's been detailed in wood. The architecture for the house, spatially and formally, both on the outside and the inside, is a result of a series of volumetric deductions from the platonic L-shaped object.